Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, August 18th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why I believe QuickSilver beats all the other traditional MLM programs that are out there today. But if it's your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, the first reason why I believe QuickSilver beats all the other traditional MLM programs out there is there's no hyped products, okay? You're getting actual silver or gold in the mail each and every month. So you're not getting stuck with, potions or lotions or shakes or anything like that, right? You're getting actual silver and gold in the mail that have value. You're not going to get stuck with anything. All right, these are something that you can put in your safe, and they will help build your investment portfolio, right? So it's real money that you're getting in exchange for your membership. All right. The second reason that I believe QuickSilver beats the traditional MLM programs is there's a low entry cost. Okay, you can become a preferred customer for free and just order silver and gold whenever you feel like it and get member pricing, or you can become a wealth ambassador and have a whole affiliate side where you can earn 7 different ways from the opportunity just by sharing it with other people. Okay, so not only do you get your silver and or gold in the mail every month, you have the ability to have your own coin business, right? Where you can share this and get paid 7 different ways by referring other people to the program, to the opportunity. Okay, so that's awesome. I love it. And you can get started for less than $10 a month. All right, they usually have a one-time $20 setup fee, but they're waiving that right now. So there's 0 activation fee. You just pay your $9.97 a month for your wealth platform, and then you select whatever piece of coin or coins that you want delivered each and every month, and that starts for as little as $8.97. All right, so for less than $20 a month, where part of that is going to be silver and gold that you're receiving in the mail, and the other $9.97 is going to be for your wealth platform, you can have your own silver and gold business up and running in minutes. All right, where else can you go and start a business for that amount of money? Right? That has real value. That has real value. There's nowhere else that I know of. Okay? So the third reason is silver is an inflation protection. It helps against, it protects you from inflation. All right? There's only so much silver and gold on the earth, and our government can print money backed by absolutely nothing. They can print that as much as they want to, and every time they print it, it devalues the dollar even more and more and more. And we already know that 96% of the dollar's purchasing power, or the dollar has lost 96% of its purchasing power since 1913. Okay, so every time the Fed continues to print more and more money, the value of the dollar just keeps decreasing. Okay, so next year at this time, what you can buy today for $1, you're not going to be able to buy next year at this time for $1. Right? Every year that goes by, you're going to be able to buy less and less with your money. So when you have silver and gold, that protects you against inflation because the price of silver and gold continues to go up. Right? And it's going to continue to go up. So that's a really big reason, because most MLM opportunities have consumable products. All right, and this is an actual tangible asset, a physical product that you're going to get in the mail that's going to build you wealth over time. All right, and I'm not saying you're going to get rich. I can't guarantee you'll make any money. There's no guarantee. All right, it's all dependent on your work ethic, and I'm not an expert on silver or gold either. I'm just telling you what I am learning as I go. But history has shown that gold and silver continue to increase in price. All right? So it protects your wealth. The fourth is there's no inventory. You don't have to worry about having any inventory on hand or any auto shipments or anything like that. Okay? Once you set up your coins to be shipped to you, they're sent right to your door every single month. It's super easy to do, and you don't have any inventory that you have to be responsible for. So basically, when somebody goes to your shop and orders from your store, the company's going to send them their products directly from them. You don't have to worry about any of that. All right, and that's pretty cool because there are some opportunities where you have to have a lot of product on hand. You know, I know people that do like Tupperware and Avon, Mary Kay. You know, there's a bunch of them that they always want you to have products on hand so that you can, you know, distribute them yourselves. You don't have to do any of that with this opportunity. The company takes care of that for you, which is super nice. You don't have to stockpile, you know, all kinds of product and then get stuck with them if you just ever decide it's not for you, or do what most people do and quit after a month or so of being in the opportunity. All right, you don't have to worry about that. The fifth reason is we have a simple compensation plan. I kind of touched on that earlier, but you can earn up to 7 different ways with QuickSilver. All right, 7 different ways with QuickSilver. And the compensation plan can be super lucrative for people who are willing to take massive action and show up every day. All right, if you're an action taker, this is for you. This is for you. This is meant for action takers. All right, those that take action are going to be the ones who make the most money. I'm actually at the post office right now. I'm picking up some more leads that I got in the mail. So I'm going to be putting more envelopes together later on today. But you can learn the compensation plan really quickly. You know, it's not 50 pages. You don't have to be a lawyer to understand it. It's super easy. And it's very lucrative for those who take action. And again, I can't guarantee you'll make any money with this. But if you take action, show up every day, stay consistent, you know, you'll get results. All right, that's almost a guarantee. If you do those 3 things, show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent. All right, and not give up. And the 6th reason is you can build wealth and an income at the same time. All right, so most MLM companies, you're only building wealth when you're bringing new people into the opportunity, right? When they're buying products. With this opportunity, not only do you have the affiliate side to it, but every month you're getting your silver, ender, gold shipped to you on autopilot, where that's real money coming into you that you're putting away that's going to increase in value over time, where you're building your wealth while having the option to share the opportunity and make additional income by referring people to the opportunity. All right, so it's a win-win for me. I mean, you're not just earning commissions, you're stacking real assets for the future. And, you know, to me, it's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. So if you have any questions about this or anything regarding QuickSilver, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. You can go to joinruss.com. All right, you can reach me through joinruss.com or call the number or text me. And then if you want to take a closer look at QuickSilver and get a free silver bar just for checking it out, go to silverstackingempire.com. silverstackingempire.com. All right, there'll be a link down below this video. So with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you find value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I guess that's it. So I appreciate you all. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.